If you've been thinking that you want to earn more without adding more clients to your calendar, this video is for you. When I first started my first business, I was actually working one-on-one as a coach, and I loved it, but I also created a digital course to offer to my clients and to sell separately. And the funny thing is, one of my clients actually told me they found the course more valuable than the one-on-one coaching itself. That moment was a big wake-up call, and honestly, it's what sparked my passion for digital products. Because it showed me that not only could I help more people without burning out, but that digital products could actually work better for my audience too. And the best part, I didn't even have myself on camera in that course, just my voice over slides. You can do this in whatever way works for you. To this day, a lot of my walkthroughs and trainings are still recorded without showing my face. So today I'm going to show you the exact tech stack I recommend for service providers who want to start adding digital products without the overwhelm, without the 50 tools set up, and without needing to become a full-time tech expert. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share the one tool that keeps your projects profitable, efficient, and on time, even when your business starts growing faster than expected. Hi, I'm Samantha. I help freelancers, coaches, and online service providers simplify and systemize their businesses so you can actually enjoy running your business again instead of constantly chasing your to-do list. I've gone through all the trial and error myself, testing platforms, switching tools, rebuilding systems from scratch so you don't have to. Now let's start with the backbone of it all. Every successful digital product starts with a clear plan and a system to manage it all. For me, that's Asana, my absolute go-to for organizing and running everything behind the scenes. Asana is where I plan every single project, from creating new digital products, to managing clients, to tracking launches, content, and operations. It's the command center of my business. Now, if you're someone who feels overwhelmed by all the moving parts in your business, client work, admin, marketing, ideas for future offers, Asana is going to change everything for you. It helps you see exactly what's happening, what to do, and what's next. You can build out workflows using boards, lists, and calendars, depending on how your brain works best. Now, personally, I use a mix of all of them. Boards for big picture overview and lists for detailed tasks and calendars for color-coded magic. Actually, drop it in the comments. Are you more of a checklist person or a visual board person? I'm curious what helps you stay organized. Now, in my own Asana setup, I have everything broken down into systems. Things like client management for onboarding, deliverables, and tracking. And then there's content and marketing systems, there's business operations, digital product creation, you name it. And what's really cool is that I use the same structure to create my own products. For example, when I'm creating a new course or toolkit, I use my new product creation template inside Asana to outline my goals, map out lessons or assets, plan the launch timeline, and track all of my marketing tasks in one place. It keeps me organized, reduces mental load, and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks, which, let's be honest, happens easily when you're juggling both client work and your own business growth at the same time. Now, if you want to see exactly how I manage all of this, I show my full setup, including templates, inside Asana Essentials. Asana Essentials is a complete toolkit designed to help you simplify and systemize your business. You'll get templates for client management, digital products, sales and marketing, and so much more, all plug and play and ready to go. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you can go to samanthakasbrick.com/AE to learn more and sign up. Okay, so that's the foundation. Asana for planning and managing everything efficiently. Now, once you've got your systems mapped out, the next step is selling your product. Okay, let's talk about selling because this is where a lot of people overthink things or get stuck comparing platforms for months before launching anything. So here's the truth. There isn't one perfect tool for selling digital products. It's about what fits your workflow, your comfort level with tech, and the kind of business you want to run. So in my my business, I personally use ThriveCart. It's what I use to sell all my Asana templates, toolkits, and digital products. So ThriveCart lets you build beautiful, high-converting checkout pages, offer order bumps and upsells, run affiliate programs, automate delivery and follow-up, and integrate with tools like MailerLite and Stripe. It's also a one-time purchase, which is a big win for me. No monthly fees stacking up. The only thing that might be a negative for some people is that ThriveCart isn't a full website builder or all-in-one tool. So you get product pages and checkouts, but it's really more of a checkout and sales funnel platform, not a storefront with a homepage and catalog. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool, that's where EverBee Store comes in, and it's a great option for different kinds of creators. So I tested EverBee Store myself, and I was genuinely impressed by how fast it sets everything up. It's an all-in-one storefront platform that uses AI to help you create your shop in minutes. You can upload your digital products, customize your branding, integrate payments, and even send customer emails all inside the same dashboard. And if you already have an Etsy shop, it can even import your Etsy listings and turn them into a full standalone website automatically. So if you've been wanting to build your own brand space outside of Etsy without needing a developer, this is a fantastic bridge. So here's how I look at these two options. If you're new to digital products or you prefer having everything in one place, website, products, checkout, and even email, EverBee Store is amazing. If you already know you love building sales funnels, want more control over pricing structures, or plan to run affiliates or advanced promotions, ThriveCart might feel like the right fit. Now, neither one is better. It's just about what feels right for you and how you like to work. Some people love EverBee's simple all-in-one experience. Others enjoy ThriveCart's flexibility and integration. Both can take you far. It just depends on your workflow and the kind of business you're building. I'll link them both below so you can check them out for yourself. All right, once you've got your checkout system figured out, the next step is building real connections with your audience. And that's where email comes in. So once your product is live, you need a way to stay in touch with your customers and to nurture that audience long term. Now, if you're using EverBee Store, you actually already have built-in email tools. You can send order confirmations, product delivery emails, and even simple marketing updates right inside the platform. So if your goal is to keep everything in one place and avoid connecting multiple systems, EverBee's built-in email works beautifully. It's simple, it's integrated, and it keeps your customer experience under one roof. Now that said, if you want more flexibility or if you're using ThriveCart or another checkout platform, I recommend MailerLite. MailerLite is what I personally use. It's affordable, intuitive, and powerful enough to grow with your business. With MailerLite, you can create opt-ins, run automated sequences, segment your list, and send branded campaigns without feeling overwhelmed. And that's what I use myself. And honestly, I've bounced between a few different email platforms over the years. It's not always the most convenient thing to switch, but it's totally doable. And it's part of figuring out what fits your workflow best. You don't always know what's going to feel right for you. The most important thing is just to have something in place for follow-up, because that's what turns one-time customers into repeat buyers. And that's where an all-in-one tool like EverBee can really come in handy. It's all there ready for you to start using now. You don't have to worry about finding the perfect tool for each and everything. Just use what's there, what's available, and what's convenient to get started and get going fast. All right, now let's talk about recording your content, whether that's tutorials, walkthroughs, or lessons for your course. My go-to tool for that is Tella, and I can't recommend it enough. Tella makes recording videos so much easier. You can record your screen, camera, or slides, or even a combination all in one place. It's all browser-based, so there's no complicated setup, and it even lets you edit your videos right there in the app. I use Tella to record my course tutorials, template walkthroughs, and trainings, basically anything that needs a clean, professional video without the hassle of full editing software. What I love most is that it lets you create beautiful, polished videos fast. You can choose your layout, add your brand colors, trim clips, and instantly generate a shareable link or download the final video. If you've ever used Loom or Zoom to record something and found yourself wishing it looked more professional, Tella is the solution. It's perfect for course creators, service providers recording client walkthroughs, or even freelancers building short video SOPs or tutorials. And the best part, you don't need to be on camera if you don't want to be. You can just record your slides and voiceover like I often do, and it still looks clean and professional. I'm actually an affiliate for Tella because I use it constantly and genuinely love it. And again, I've tried several tools for this, but if you do want to try it, you can use my link below to get 30% off 12 months with Tella. How awesome is that? Okay, and finally, let's talk about something that most business owners don't think about until it starts hurting their bottom line: where your time actually goes. I've been using Toggl Track for years, and it's one of those tools that quietly transforms how you run your business. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, or service provider, Toggl Track helps you understand exactly how long things take, from client projects and content creation to building your own digital products. Because here's the truth: time leaks are profit leaks. If you're not tracking where your time goes, you're probably leaving money on the table through forgotten billable hours, underestimated project scopes, or simply overcommitting your energy to the wrong thing. So that's where Toggl Track comes in. It's simple, beautifully designed, and powerful enough to scale with you without feeling like a corporate tool or resorting to creepy screen monitoring. So here's what makes it so good. It has automatic time tracking. You can run the timer manually, integrate it with your calendar, or even let it track activity in the background. No more piecing together hours at the end of the week. It has billable versus non-billable insights, so you can easily see how much of your time is actually generating revenue versus admin work or content creation. You get profitability reports, get real-time visibility into which projects, offers, or clients are the most profitable. This is huge for deciding what to keep, what to outsource, and where to raise your rate. It also has client-ready reports and invoicing, so you can create clear, transparent reports you can share with your clients or export your data directly into QuickBooks or Xero in one click. It also has integrations with over 100 tools, including Asana. It plays nicely with all of them, so it fits naturally into your existing workflow. I also love that Toggl Track respects your privacy. It doesn't record your screen or track what you're doing. It just helps you see where your time is going without feeling like someone's watching over your shoulder. So whether you're a solopreneur wanting to understand how long your launches really take, you're a VA needing to report hours to your clients, or you're managing a small team and want to balance workloads without micromanaging anyone, Toggl Track gives you the clarity and control to run your business smarter. And if you've ever wondered which of your offers actually gives you the best return on your time investment, this is the tool that will give you that answer. You can try Toggl Track free using the link in the description below and start seeing exactly where your time is going. Okay, so to recap, if you're a service provider ready to start selling digital products, here's the simple, powerful stack I recommend. So Asana for planning and managing projects, ThriveCart or EverBee Store for selling, MailerLite or EverBee's built-in emails for connecting, Tella for recording tutorials and product creation, and Toggl Track for tracking your time and profitability. You don't need 100 tools or a massive setup to make this work, just a few smart systems that work together. And if you want to see how I've built all of this inside Asana and get the templates to do the same, check out Asana Essentials linked below. And I'll link all the tools I mentioned below. Everything will be in the description for you. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.